You're probably saying, Salon Guy, what are you doing here in front of a shampoo bowl? Well, we're talking about how to maintain your hair on a daily basis to be healthy. And it really is simple. So starting with the care of your hair. Get it? Care of your hair. Yes. How are you caring for your hair? It starts with the products that you're using at the sink, or not really sink, your shower. So your shampoos and your conditioners. When I'm washing a client's hair, and I've washed thousands upon thousands of clients over the years, the best thing that they think about is usually the shampoo experience. So the shampoo experience, what does that include? Shampoo and conditioner, or a hair treatment, a conditioning treatment, whatever it is, it starts here at the sink. And for you, if you're watching as a consumer at home, it starts off in the shower with what you're using. I have a full range of really, really high quality shampoos and conditioners. And also my treatment spray, 25 spray, is an incredible spray if you have dry hair, damaged hair, limp hair, fine hair, frizzy hair. It literally is a miracle spray, and 25 benefits all in one spray. So when it comes to your day-to-day, what are you doing to your hair? If you are the type of individual who is constantly blow drying their hair and then using a smoothing iron, right? If you're a female and you are, or just have really, really long hair and you want your hair to be smooth and shiny and silky, and every single day you're blow drying it, then you're using a smoothing iron, a heated smoothing iron to smooth the hair every single day, then a lot of hairspray. Potentially, yes, you are going to be damaging your hair over time, right? It's a lot of wear and tear on your hair. That's why I suggest, if you're going to do anything drastic, like go from really wavy hair to then really, really straight hair all in one day, I highly suggest that you do that and then don't wash your hair for at least 2, 3, even 4 days. Sometimes people go a whole week without washing their hair. So let that style, all that work you put into your hair to make it look incredible, let it marinate on your head. Don't wash your hair, because the minute water hits your hair, that's it. It's doing it all over again. I will say, once again, back to the products. If you're using really, really good high quality products like the ones I have at shop.thesalonguy.com, you can then make sure that you are helping your hair by preventing less damage to your hair and using really, really good high quality products to protect your hair from the heat and all stuff like that. Is it okay to use styling products every single day on your hair? Yes, that stuff is okay, as long as you understand what you're doing, why you're doing it, how you're doing it. All those things are important. Why do you need to style your hair every single day with a hair product? Okay. How are you going to do that? Are you going to wash your hair every single day? Are you just rinsing it with water? Because water only really gets rid of the surface level stuff, doesn't really cleanse your hair. And more product just creates product buildup because you're not really cleaning your hair when you rinse it. And then, how are you going to style it? Are you using a hot blow dryer? Are you using a curling iron? Are you using a smoothing iron? Whatever you're going to do, just break down your day to day. And if you want your hair to be healthy and you want to come up with a daily routine, think about it. The daily routine could be, well, my hair is okay today. Sometimes it's a matter of looking at your hair, and that's the routine. Say Monday is your day to wash your hair, the day to style it, to blow dry it straight, whatever it is, that's your day. And then Tuesday, the next day, you can analyze your hair, and that could be your daily routine. Is how's your hair feeling? What does your hair need? What do you have to do to it? All these things factor in the day-to-day hair routine, all right? And then you may learn after 1 week, like, oh my gosh, for my hair to feel really, really good and really healthy and really incredible, this is what I need to do on a regular basis. And there you go. That's how you find out your daily routine for your hair. So if you want to purchase any of my products, and I have really, really amazing high quality products and hair tools, you can go to shop.thesalonguy.com and use code YouTube20. I'm giving you 20% off of your order. Shop.thesalonguy.com, YouTube20. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.